Hi, this is Howard here. This is the removal and reinstalling of a newer bathtub and removing the old bathtub. First thing first, where the original bathtub was, you need to remove the first couple of layers of tiles all the way up to basically to the middle of where the spout is. You will still need to remove the spout because you need the lift out area to get out, and also cut it evenly all the way around with a tiny piece of lip that remains. We're going to tie into that with mildew resistant drywall, lots of silicone every joint that goes around. You're going to cut it all the way around here, and then remove the old tub, and we're going to be reinstalling a new tub. This tub here was removed and we're going to be reinstalling it, so it's a little bit dirty. And I'm just cleaning off the old silicone, scrape all the old silicone off of it, off the side, everywhere else, before we install it.